Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to ProTraderPath. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll be talking about a few things that I was thinking for a long time. And the trade that you can see running on the background was taken actually on the Friday, the last day of the previous week or the second week of October. However, I will show you guys a screenshot of my account that I have traded for this week, what my portfolio looks like. I will try to be transparent as much as I can, and that's what my focus was, because I don't want to give you guys false hope or anything regarding trading. And now here is a screenshot of my account that I have been trading on. So as you can see, as I said on my previous trade execution video, that I was not actually trading on the first week of October. So on 5th of October or October 5, I had only $30 profit, right? So on October 5, I entered into a trade and I was not feeling good. I had to go to bed rather than sitting on my trading desk or setup in front of the computer. So I just closed my position, and since then until October 9th I didn't trade. Okay, so that's there, that $30 trade is there because, as I said on my previous video, that I didn't trade. And just to prove that, so from October 9th until October 13th, as you can see, I had pretty much consistently over $1,000 profit every single day. Okay, now I risk only 1% of my account. The max I risk is 1%, but depending on the position, if whatever the 1% allows me to take, I take that amount of lots. Okay, if it allows me to take 3 or 4 lots, I take 3 full lots. If it allows me to take only 1 lot, I take 1 lot. As you can see on the background, that's what I took in this term. So yeah, I never try to go above my 1%. Most of the time, I'm not like never, but that's a set rule for me. When I'm too confident, only that is the time I can add some percentage of my account or wallet balance regarding a trade. Other than that, I don't even bother to go with a lot of risk over there. Okay, so that's why as you can see, like, I have over $1,000 on average nearly. And on October 11th I didn't post any video on my YouTube channel. Also, on October 12th, the trade execution video that I put on my YouTube channel, I told you guys about October 11 that I took a trade, but I didn't wait for the liquidity raid or take profit to hit. I closed it early, and I went to bed because I was too tired from my work. Like, after returning home, I was not feeling like I have the energy or I have the focus to continue trading for the day. So I took whatever profit it was running. I took the profit, I went to bed. And for me, I cannot sleep keeping a trade open. Okay, it's in my blood. It's like, if there is an open trade, no matter what else is going on around me, I need to keep my eye on the trade. That's why, because as you can see on the video that I'm showing right now, like the background video that I'm playing right now, it's constantly I'm drawing lines, right? I'm willing to see how price is actually reacting over there, right? Anyway, the thing is, if you are looking for any shortcut to gain these sort of things, it won't work. Just think about this way: you study 3 to 4 years of a degree just to get a better life, better job, okay, just to earn a good amount of money out of it, right? In your future career, you are spending at least 3 or 4 years just to build your future. And in trading, you are trying to do the same thing, just you are being your own boss, right? Whenever you want to trade, you can trade. I mean, I hope you got the point. Whenever means, let's say, like the first week of October, I didn't trade. But if it's a job, 9 to 5 job or any other part-time or casual job, you need to show up. You need to show up to your job. You need to work for your money, right? In this case, I didn't trade because I was not feeling like it, so I didn't trade. As simple as that. Anyway, the thing is, if you are willing to spend 3 to 4 years on a degree just to get that life that allows you to live to a certain level when trading has unlimited opportunity, why are you looking for shortcut here? Here in my videos, it may be 30 minutes long, it may be 40 minutes long, it may be 20 minutes long. But this video is actually a shortcut. You are not learning one thing after watching 10, 1 hour, 2 hours worth of video, right? So anyway, don't look for shortcut, stay with the channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I think I wanted to say what you guys are supposed to do with your trading career, and I said it. I hope you got the message. Until next time, take care, bye bye, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.